Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Isahana. I came with a new recipe to make donuts. So let's see the ingredients. 1.5 teaspoon yeast, 3 teaspoon sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 1 egg, 2 teaspoon warm milk and 1 cup of maida. Okay, now let's start making. First, take the egg and break it. Now, put 3 spoons of sugar. Now we need to put a half teaspoon of yeast. Now we are going to put 2 teaspoons of milk, warm milk. Now we need to put 1 pinch of salt. Now beat it very well. Now we have to beat the yeast and warm milk together very well. Now you have to mix it well, then you will get a dough. After you have mixed the batter together, you will get a dough like this. If it feels sticky when you mix the dough together, then you can add a little bit of oil or butter. After this, you can leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we have to take this off. It will be very fluffy. And sometimes sticky. Outside. I made a round as I can. Now we should make donut shapes. How many donut shapes you want in the dough. So to make donut shapes, I have 2 circles. Now I am making donut shapes. And we have to put a small circle inside the big to make a donut shape. We don't need the center part, only the outer. Now I have made 7 donuts. Now I am going to fry it. I will show you after fried. After frying our donut once it's ready, now you can decorate it in your way. I took some chocolate flavor and badam flavor and some strawberry flavor and some sprinkles. Now I am garnishing it.